from Manipur with regards to the ongoing violence that has been going on in the state for over a year and a half now. The Supreme Court has asked the state government to give details of the properties that have been damaged, burnt, looted or illegally occupied. The Supreme Court has also asked what steps have been taken to tackle the damage to property. And the Supreme Court has also asked the Biren Singh government to take action on the Mittal Committee report, asked for details of weapons recovered so far. Solicitor General Mehta, representing the state government, said the details should not be shared due to media sensationalization. Let's go across to my colleague Harish, who tracks all developments from the court. Harish, some very stern observations coming in from the Supreme Court. Tell us what happened.
Yes, so that's right, Ritanshu. A big order as far as the Manipur violence, which has been raging for the past more than one and a half years, is concerned, as you rightly put. The Supreme Court Chief Justice bench has asked state government to give details of properties damaged, burned, looted, and illegally encroached. Asked what steps have been taken to tackle damage to property. And Justice Geeta Mittal Committee report says there is commendable work being done for rehabilitation, but blockages are a problem. Request for funds for construction of shelters home is pending with the government. Supreme Court has asked government to take action on Mittal Committee report. Asked for details of weapons also recovered. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta at this point said the details should not be shared with the media due to media sensationalization. I remember, Ritanshu, the Supreme Court was hearing a petition which complained that the state government is not doing enough to assuage condition of those whose houses were burned, looted, encroached upon. Chief Justice told Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, we want all details of properties burned down, looted, encroached upon. Separate details should be given data-wise. You can give it to us in a field cover. In fact, Justice Khanna also said, ideally, as the first opportunity, we should ask the administration to look into it. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said every grievance can come from the committee, and also that there are some areas where we are going slow since situation is sensitive. So the big takeaway is that Supreme Court has asked the state to give details of properties damaged, burned, looted, and illegally occupied. And the next date of hearing is the second week of January. Back to you, Ritanshu.
All right. Thanks a lot for joining us, Harish, with those details.